To obtain a URL link to your Telegram profile, start by opening the Telegram app on your iPhone, Android phone, or computer. Once the app is open, navigate to the Settings section, usually located at the bottom right corner. In the Settings menu, you will see your name and phone number at the top. Select the Edit option in the top right corner. Scroll down to the Username section and select it. To get a Telegram profile link, you must set a username. After typing in your desired username, the app will indicate whether it is available. Once your username is set, you will see a link that opens a chat with you, along with the option to share or copy the link. You can then paste this link wherever you want to share it, such as on social media. By following these steps, you can easily obtain and share your Telegram profile link.